Title: The Cell, Life's Smallest Powerhouse. Hey learners, welcome back to Biotic World, where biology comes alive. Today, we're going deep into something tiny, yet fundamental. The cell, the basic unit of life. All living beings, from the smallest bacteria to the largest blue whale, are made of cells. Some organisms have only one cell, like bacteria, while humans have around 37 trillion. Isn't that wild? Let's begin by understanding the two main types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells, like those in bacteria, are simple and ancient. They lack a true nucleus. Their DNA floats in the cytoplasm. No membrane-bound organelles. Yet, they're super efficient. Eukaryotic cells, on the other hand, are complex. They contain a true nucleus and many organelles. You'll find them in plants, animals, fungi, and us humans. Now, let's meet the organelles, the mini organs inside a cell. First up is the cell membrane, the outer boundary that controls what enters and exits the cell. It's selectively permeable, like a smart security gate. Inside lies the nucleus, the brain of the cell. It holds DNA, the genetic blueprint. Within it is the nucleolus, which makes ribosomes, protein factories. Speaking of ribosomes, these tiny dots float in the cytoplasm or attach to the rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. They build proteins from genetic instructions. Beside it, the smooth ER makes lipids and helps detoxify the cell. Together, the ER acts like the factory floor. Then comes the Golgi apparatus, the post office of the cell. It packages and delivers proteins to their destinations. Need energy? That's the mitochondria's job. Called the powerhouse of the cell, it produces ATP from food. Fun fact, it has its own DNA, hinting at its ancient past. In plant cells, there's a special organelle, the chloroplast. It captures sunlight to make food via photosynthesis. No chloroplasts, no oxygen. Next, the lysosomes. These are the cleanup crew, breaking down waste and unwanted materials. The vacuole stores water, nutrients, and waste. It's huge in plant cells, helping them stay firm. And finally, plant cells have a cell wall, a rigid layer that gives structure and protection. To summarize, cells are incredibly organized, with each organelle doing a specific job. Together, they keep the cell and the organism alive and active. That's the power of the cell, small in size, giant in function. If you enjoyed this cell journey, like the video, drop your questions in the comments and subscribe to Biotic World for more deep dives into biology.